All right, we're gonna do a baby pull, just a little one. Oh my God! Holy shit! Woo! Ho! That's a good way to get in trouble. 55 miles per hour achieved. I'm 6. I'm 6 years old. All right, let's head to the car wash. Be very careful with my doors. Get the tripod in here. All right. Oh my God, I love this thing. All right, so that was just really easing into it. All right, I better put the camera away. All right, we have reached the car wash. Downshift. All right, let's get this tripod set up and get this car wash underway. I don't spray it down super heavy because it is a wrap, so I just do a light wash on it. There's no way really to get rid of all of these marks without a hand wash, but we can give her a little bit of love. All right, that is a record 8 minutes and 23 seconds. I forgot to stop that. I'm glad I came over to film this because that would have been counting forever, and who knows how much it would have charged me. There she is, looking fresh, clean, and beautiful. Oh my God, thing looks sick. Let's hop in and give her the old-fashioned air dry. All right, back in. Start her up. All right, we're gonna do a baby pull, just a little one. Oh my God! Holy shit! That's a good way to get in trouble. 55 miles per hour achieved. I'm 6. I'm 6 years old. That's quick enough for these roads. Gotta keep it respectable. A little bit. Respectful. I think I said respectable like 3 or 4 times in a row back there. Gotta keep it respectful. Although a respectable speed is also something to note. And respectable speed and respectful speed are not the same. Whew! I catch myself doing that face where you're grimacing. All right, we have landed. We are at Angela's for the cruise in. All right, we put her into Transformers mode a little bit. I think it's time to do a little bit of a music montage. Where's that? Oh, he was talking to me a minute ago, actually, about the RS3 that I had. Nice touch. That is pretty dope. That's cool. Okay, now I know for sure it's a ram. That is wicked. So what do you got here?
It's a 2017 GTI that roughly makes around 310 to the wheel.
All right.
I plan on having it be over 700 to the wheel eventually.
I love it. Just throw the whole kitchen sink at it.
Yep.
Oh, sweet interior, man.
Yeah, dude. So
Wicked.
when I was looking for it, the only requirement I had was the plaid seats.
Okay. That's awesome.
The skeleton's name is Harold.
Harold.
Name tag.
Nice. I see that. That's funny. This is wicked. That's super cool. I didn't know they did that. All right, guys, unfortunately, my camera did die when I was taking some videos out there, but it was a good time. Thank you to Angela's for putting that on. Thanks for coming along, and I'll catch you in the next one.